I thought I would find something. I wanted to search up for the Anycubic Kobra or Anycubic S1, find out if there's any new information about it. I somehow stumbled across the PDF for setting it up. So unlock the print head. Wait, let's go back to the start. Product overview. Dude, that kind of looks like the K1C quite a lot. Spool holder at the back. Signal cable, 4-pin end. Filament tube at the top. Power cord. That's all kind of normal stuff. USB, screws, whatever, that's all pretty normal. Cut the zip tie securing the print head. Remove cardboard from the print head. And remove foam from the excess chute. Unlock the print head, which is 1, 2, 3, 4 screws by the looks. 4. Switch that on, power on, the rest of it. I think that's pretty cool. And there wasn't anything else, I don't think, down here. No. So let's look at that. It's pretty cool. Installation video doesn't work. That UI doesn't work. These just go to the normal stuff. Chamber camera, part cooling, hotbed. Legit looks like a K1C clone. Fine with that. Yeah, it's got the 2 little knobs back. Oh, that's pretty normal. Slicer stuff. If there was any other documents, but no, it looks like that's the only one. Yeah, so it's got the Anycubic S1 Cobra 3 combo, but nothing about the Max. I've been trying to find something to do with the Max. See if I can find anything Max as well. Nothing with the Max. This one kind of makes me believe it might be to do with the Max. That looks normal. FDM size 252. Oh, those are old. Hey, damn, look at that. Is that the original board? See what else I got. Oh, yeah, and this is the wiki. So I found the S1 wiki as well. So on the S1 wiki, unpacking, packing guide, blah, FAQs, or printing effect, maintenance suggestions, unable to recognize USB flash drive. It's kind of weird. Printhead blockage, network troubleshooting, multicolor cartridge blocking, abnormality, printer binding, and firmware update guide. So it's got S1 glass door nozzle wiper module, 4-in 1-out component, 8-in 1-out module, multicolor material return detection module. Has a light bar built in. It's kind of cool. Material rack. Not really sure what that is. Brake detection board. That's good. Hall switch. That'd be for leveling. Sorry, excuse me. To do with the Ace Pro. It's fine. Normal, I believe. Printhead. The thermal silicon sleeve. Quick release hot end. Extruder module. Printhead thermistor. That's all normal. Hot end cooling fan. Material change cutter. No. Printhead heating rod. All normal. Model cooling fan. Printhead signal line and print head wire adapter plate. That's all good. Nothing else is sticking out that's totally different. So coming soon. I'm gonna keep a look on this. I'm gonna keep a look on their wiki to see if we can find anything else. So that's kind of cool. Just to let you know, that's what's going on. Get rid of my boobs. Just so I'll let you know that's what's going on. It's pretty cool. Really excited to look at this S1. I think it's going to be similar price to the K1C, but with the Ace Pro, which is actually really cool. I think that's pretty amazing. They can do that. That'd be really, really good. Thanks for watching. And subscribe. Try and keep more information about this coming, but